This is day 3 of the work in this property. We're not gonna be doing every day because we gotta wait for the contractor. But I will, hopefully you'll see in number 1. And I gotta take all the trees and stuff because it will matter eventually. This is that kind of house, and sorry, my hand's shaking because I've also been working. But this is kind of the house that you would want away from the city, kind of rural living. It's a beautiful town. It's right across the church. This is something that you would want to just come and relax. This one has 2 bedrooms, but we're gonna turn this one into a 3rd. And this is a little bit after the cleanup. My mom has been helping with the cleanup as well. So we are gonna take these stairs down just because you can build another house upstairs, but it is a lot of work. And we're just gonna, do the necessary things to make it look good, just because materials are so expensive right now. Then you come in here, and this is another bedroom. And some of the materials which more likely you cannot use because not all the doors are the same, things look different. We did find a lot of the older stuff, but the electricity is upgraded, so that's a good thing. Like, not everything, but most of it. So here you have the bathroom. My mom already cleaned up. We don't have any water, but honestly, this house was a hoarder house. And I'll show you the dumpster in a minute. Here's Hudson, my dog. Hey, Papas, come yours. So this is the kitchen. And I'm gonna try to record as much as I can. There'll probably be 2 or 3 more videos and then it should be ready. We do have to wait 2 months for the construction people. So that's quite a long time, especially if you have private money. This is gonna be costly. So make sure you know if your contractor's available or if you even wanna hire somebody else, just because their ethics are very important and not a lot of people have good ethics when it comes to construction. They try to steal your materials or overcharge you. Like, once they start the project, they come up with the simplest of things and they wanna charge you even more for that. This was extremely filthy. If you refer to video 1, you'll get to see how bad this was. But now it's getting better. We have a lady that owns a DI store close by. So we see if she came and got some stuff. She wanted a little bit more, so we left it. And you don't see it right now, but this one has all the stuff from the house and some of the trees. I will go back to the back of the house, which I didn't on the first day, and I regret, because you can see there's my brother working hard. My brother's like Hulk. He can take everything in 1 second by himself. He needs no help. Look how beautiful it is. It's so green. The sky's so blue. And I don't have videos of before of the yard, but this is what it's looking like right now, after probably my brother's put about maybe 25 hours already to this. I don't know how many, but a long time. And he's still working on it. We still have a lot more work to do. We'll go from here. This is the other room I didn't show. And this is the project after it's being cleaned up.